Hey there, everyone. Welcome to In and Out. Let's get started.
The use of cake for celebrations has deep historical roots and symbolic meanings that have evolved over time. Here's an exploration of why cakes became synonymous with joyous occasions. Ancient Egyptians are credited with creating the earliest forms of cakes. These were more like bread, sweetened with honey, and were often used in religious ceremonies to honor the gods. The Greeks offered round or moon-shaped cakes to the goddess Artemis, symbolizing the moon. They decorated the cakes with candles to represent the light of the moon. The tradition of birthday cakes is believed to have originated in medieval Germany, with the Kinderfest celebration. Germans baked sweetened bread or cakes to mark children's birthdays, placing candles on top to symbolize the child's age and wishes. Cakes symbolize joy, prosperity, and good fortune, making them a fitting centerpiece for celebrations. The act of cutting and sharing a cake fosters a sense of community and togetherness. The elaborate designs of modern cakes reflect the importance of the occasion and the effort made to celebrate it. With advances in baking technology and ingredients becoming more affordable, cakes became accessible to a broader population, cementing their place in celebrations worldwide. The cake represents a person's milestone and is often personalized to mark the occasion. A wedding cake symbolizes good fortune and the sweetness of the couple's future. Cakes celebrate milestones in relationships or achievements. Many cultures include cakes in festive celebrations, such as Christmas, Easter, or New Year. Cakes can be adapted to suit different tastes, dietary preferences, and cultural traditions. Their design and flavors can be tailored to reflect the theme of the celebration. The ritual of cutting a cake often serves as the highlight of a celebration, symbolizing unity and shared joy.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.